You need to change out a keypad, and you have it to the correct color of your garage by checking online for further details about your product. To set up, you're going to get 2 anchors, 2 screws, an instruction guide, a keypad, and the instructions on the back of the keypad, which is weather resistant for all seasons, outdoor, indoor use. Following the instructions by pressing the asterisk and pound together, long press, till you see a solid light and hear a beep. You press in the code, 4 digits, any digits you like. Press the pound, go to the garage, and hit the learning button. When you hit the enter, the garage will open. You hit enter to stop it. Press the code to open and close. If you want to change the code, simply follow the instructions to do so. To hang up, it's as simple as putting a screw to the keyhole, sliding down, opening up the battery door, taking out the battery, placing a screw in. You are given a 9-volt battery. It lasts a very long time. You want to place these things in a warehouse, outside, nearby, need a second one. You have the option of a keypad, all weather resistant, IP rated. Enjoy your product. If you are looking for a keypad for your garage door.